What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get clients for your marketing or web design business with Facebook. This is perfect for you if you hate cold calling or you're scared to cold call, or you and cold calling just don't go together at all. I personally absolutely hate cold calling. Even though I used to get all my clients with cold calling, I found this method and it's absolutely phenomenal. So I have another video teaching you guys how to get clients with Instagram. If you haven't checked it out, make sure you go check it out. A lot of people told me I made $30,000 from this method, so you already know that this video is going to be value packed. After I show you how to get the client, I'm going to show you how I personally onboard my clients once I sign them in my own web design agency. No more yapping, let's get straight into the video. So you already have a Facebook account. This is a new one I created because my other one got banned for some reason. But you want to go and click on groups on the top right here. And now I want you to search up landscaping in area, or like whatever your niche is. HVAC in Toronto, landscaping in Miami, construction business in California. You get the point. I'm going to search up landscaping Miami, and then what I want you to do is I want you to just join all of the little groups. So looking for landscaping, these are for people that are looking for landscaping companies, or for people that have landscaping companies that are looking for clients. You know what I mean? So looking for landscaping, sometimes you're going to have to ask a couple questions right here. What county are you based out of? Just put anything, literally. What company are you with? Just put, like, I don't know, whatever. Sometimes they will accept you, sometimes they won't accept you. A lot of the groups, you don't need to answer any questions. Anyway, without wasting any more time, now you're going to join a group. So I'm going to click on this one. For example, I'm already in it. And then right here, you're going to see looking for a landscaping company, or A&Q roofing and remodeling, 35 years of experience right here. So you're going to see a lot of companies that are posting. Just open it up in a new tab, just like this. And you want to open up a lot. By the way, this is my cold Instagram video right here, cold DMs, if you want to check it out. But just open a lot. So affordable landscaping services, open a lot right here. A lot of the companies are going to have their phone number and all their information on their profile. So just like this, for example. Do they have their phone number? No, you're going to click on view profile. Okay, so you have their phone number right here. So what you can do is either cold calling is the most direct way to reach out to a client. So if you're not shy, of course, this video is to avoid cold calls. But if you're not too embarrassed, this is a great way to cold call and even have a little bit of rapport built to make sure they don't hang up on you. Like, hey, how's it going? Yeah, I just found you guys on Google in XYZ group chat. You know what I mean? So that's a little bit of rapport built, and you can go from there. But of course, I know you came on this video to completely avoid cold calling, so don't worry. What we're going to do is, by the way, a lot of related groups, so just go ahead and join every single one of them right here. Might as well. And then you can just go ahead and do the exact same process. But what you're going to do here is, as you can see, a lot of people are looking for clients here. What you're going to do is, instead, you're just going to write a post. You're going to write, hey, I recently just started my web design agency. I'm offering free, yes, free, copy exactly what I say, website mockups for everyone here. Just let me know if you're interested. Literally simple as that. Who's going to refuse a free website? If you haven't checked out my videos about using Reloom and all that sort of stuff, by making AI websites in literally a couple seconds, go ahead and click on this one right here. Easiest way to make $500 a day. Or how to sell AI websites to local business. 70,000 views in 2 months. It's literally blowing up. Make sure you get on this quick. And then you can literally make a fully customized mock-up for each and every single person who reaches out to you in under 5 minutes. Literally 2 minutes. So go ahead and do that. Then you're going to get them on a call, and then you can actually collect the money from the fully published website. Now I'm going to show you how I fully onboard those clients into my own host. So I want you to click the first link in the description. It's going to be a Cloudways link. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. Cloudways is phenomenal. That's what I use for all of my clients. And I'm going to show you how I basically onboard all of them and make them their own website ready to publish. So go ahead and make an account. If you use my link in the description, it is free. So if this is your first time using Cloudways and you just made an account, this is the first thing you're going to land on. I want you to just go ahead and select an application. make sure you go ahead and select WordPress. That's, if you follow all of my videos, that's the platform we use to make websites. If you do want to learn how to start and scale your web design agency, just go ahead through all my videos. I give so much game on everything. And then WordPress is going to be the platform you're going to use. Now, name your application. If your client is in the US, for example, or New York, I'm just going to put his name, number one. Server name is going to be USA clients. So you want to put it by region. And then application name is going to be, I don't know, John Smith. And then DigitalOcean is perfect. The basic is perfect as well. And then you just want to reduce this to probably 1 or 2 gigabytes. You don't want to break your bank for your first client. And then you just want to click launch now. Now, once you launch it, it is going to take 7 minutes, as you can see over here. In my case, I already have a USA client folder, so I'm just going to click it right here. Actually, I'm not going to click it. I'm going to go into applications, and then over here, it's going to show me all the applications that I have, which are basically websites that I started. Now, I'm back on the Cloudways homepage. By the way, if you didn't know, Cloudways automates the whole process. So of course, I have Stripe, and sometimes I build subscriptions on Stripe or PayPal for certain things. But if it's in regards to hosting and domain, Cloudways pretty much automates the whole process. So on the hosting platform itself, I can actually bill clients monthly and automatically charge their card, so they pay me for hosting. So a lot of people have been asking me, who handles the hosting? Ideally, you want to handle it yourself, because that makes the client bound to you specifically. And so if they want any updates, then they would go to you and not someone else, because you're the one who's handling everything. And then what that does is, not only are they paying you monthly, but for any additional updates, if they're not paying you a maintenance fee, that's going to be some money in your pocket. Easy. Now, like I said, it automates pretty much everything. On the client billing and reporting, you can just click try now. I just click the Cloudways logo on the top left right here, and then click try now, and it brings me over here. You can get started. Just click the free plan, and then for your first client, it's going to be free. And then after, I think it's like $5, just go ahead and click set up your agency. Enter your agency name. I'm just going to put Abou Toure. You don't need to add a logo or anything or brand colors. I'm just going to go through it very quickly. Connect your Stripe account, which should be pretty quick here. And then from here, you just want to go ahead and follow the steps. It's all super logical. If you do really want me to go through the whole process, I do have a video where I'm going through it step by step, but it is pretty logical. You can do it yourself for sure. You just got to read and follow quick instructions. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is exactly how I get clients and then onboard them on my Cloudways. If you have any questions, leave them in the description or message me on Instagram at ABOUXTOURE. As always, trying to provide you guys as much value as possible, and I will see you guys in the next video.